Guys, Smoking Bears here. We're outside today. Beautiful day here in South Carolina. It's awesome. I got a rack of pork loin baby back ribs. We got the kettle fired up. As you see right here beside me, we're going to take this membrane off. We're going to season it with some meat church honey hog, and we're just going to kick back and relax. Enjoy.
Two.
All right, so the membrane's on. I'm going to come in right here around the middle and try to lift this up with my knife. You see I cut accidentally while I was opening up, so let's go ahead and get this up here. Take a paper towel to help. The paper towel helps hold on to the membrane while you pull it. Alright, so there's the first part. See if we can't get that second part to come up. Boom, just like that. Alright, now we're just going to set this over here. We'll discard it later. Now, I'm not going to trim because this is just for us. So, the honey hog. Kettle at the dome says it's 375, so just like that. I'll slide her over, get her back here a little bit, touch up a little spot there that you see. Boom, that's it. Royal oak. We're going to set cherry wood right up on top of the grate. You're going to ask me why. Bear, what are you doing? Because if I put it down in the grate, it's going to burn up really fast. This way, you see it's already starting to smoke. It's going to go slower. Alright guys, we're just going to check them for tenderness. Oh my. Oh my. Yeah. There we go. Pretty good. You know, once you get through that crust. Oh, nice and tender. Alright. So we're going to pull these off and let them rest. Look at these. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is just straight honey hog. After an hour and a half, I flipped them and then I spritzed them with water once. So let's flip these over. Ooh, that's nice and tacky. And let's just cut down the center here. What I want to do is I want to follow down one of these bones right there. Yeah, let's just pull this bone out. Look at that. Man, that's just coming apart. It was only about like 3 hours. All right, let's bite into it. Good bite. That honey hog's nice. It gives it almost like a tacky glaze. These baby backs, man, you see a lot of meat on them. All right, guys, so that was just a quick rack of ribs on the Weber kettle. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great one.